Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to change your Facebook name. To do that, open your Facebook app, click on these three dots at the upper right hand side, scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings, then click on your account center, click on your profile. Here is my Instagram account, WhatsApp and Facebook. The first one, click on it, click on name. Then you can change your first name, middle name and your surname. After typing in your names, you click on review changes. Know that if you change your Facebook name and want to change to another name, it will take you 60 days before you can change to any other name. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more tech videos.